Your soda's so frozen.
I know. It's giving me gas.
Just came out with that little tiny girl over there. Oh, I'm done.
Did I burp enough for everybody?
I'm done. I'm not even gonna try.
Come on. Come on, you know you can do better than that. Try. No,
Right.
seriously.
You guys can burp good.
Trust me,
I
y'all
can't-
live
I
with
can't
like 5 guys, you know?
Get it deep from within.
Must be deep within grasshopper. Sorry. Did you spell it out?
A little. I get the little fizz bubbles that come up.
Oh yeah.
Do it too long. Holy shit. I gotta try.
When you come up.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless
Sorry.
you.
Who did that
Bless
one?
you. Fuck you.
I said thank you.
And I took it back.
That was kind of
Because you're an
upset.
evil burping Grinch.
Shit off the bed.
My soda's coming
Spit
up with
something
that.
back up on me over there.
Soda's coming up with that one.
Loon by you don't spit anything back up.
Yeah, no kidding. You need a
It
bib,
gurgled.
sicko.
No, it gurgled in my throat. I think I caught it in my throat. I didn't let it go past my taste buds.
No.
Wow. You just overdid it.
I didn't mean to.
It's a rule. You cannot over burp another burp.
Okay. Raise your hand if you're gonna go first.
You burp so good.
Family genes.
I guess so.
Ooh. Ooh, that was juicy.
That doesn't smell too good.
Aww. Oh.
We're gonna have hiccups.
It's not funny.
But you have nectar. I'm doing what she's doing. Because I'm doing it. I'm not a burper.
Oh yes, you can.
Trying from deep within.
Wow, that had velocity.
Just shoot it forward.
Come on, you're way behind the power curve.
I know, I'm trying over here. I think I'm thinking about it too much.
I can cover my soda now. Y'all are nasty.
That's what sickos.
You guys are gross.
Ooh, I can smell that one.
Wow.
That one doesn't come out right.
Nah.
I think that was my loudest burp. I got the sweetness of burps over here. You guys have to
I'm trying to hold it.
Jeez. I had to force this way out.
It stinks in here. What the hell are you doing over there?
It's not breaking. I'm frustrated. My loud words can't
sudden nuts learn how to burp. Get around guys more often.
Huh?
Get around guys more often.
That's the problem. She's not a stinky slut.
Mm-hmm.
I ran had sex in over a month.
Down come the suspenders. You better watch out.
I mean, for real, I think it's over. What's today? Like, almost 2 months. Almost 2, going on 2.
She's throwing cobwebs though, man.
No shit. No.
Oh, I think you guys, hit him out. All I get is a gurgle
Sound like
with
you're
that
gonna
now.
yak.
No, because the stuff just comes up when I burp. Like, I don't have that burp reflex. It's just not there for me today.
Yeah, we know you cannot do us. What you're doing.
I don't know about that. I met a chick who was a makeup artist who could outburp me in Boston. Literally, we were having a burping contest and grossing everybody out.
Here they come a little bit.
The biggest tricks I've ever had are always ugly
I
and
can't
like
do
they're
that.
dykes.
Raging bulldogs.
I've never had a pretty makeup artist. They were all
No,
like
I had a
manly
pretty.
makeup
No,
artists.
my makeup artist is pretty. She's really beautiful, and she burps worse than I do.
I get the ugly man ones who don't wear makeup themselves.
I come in at the end like a little. I'll finish it off for you guys.
Yeah, so good.
Okay, I'm taking 7 up there for them.
I get goosebumps.
Yeah, we all
So
do.
do you.
Look at my wrist.
I'm repeating mine over and over again.
Handcuffed to the kitchen.
Wow.
Nah. Nice.
Don't feed me after midnight, eh? I gotta squeeze all, no, I have to squeeze all the air out of it now.
I just can't
Holy shit.
What? You did just about as I do.
No, not quite. And they would expect it from me because I'm more of a womanly woman.
I know. You didn't say nothing, yeah. You wait till you swallow. Well, never mind. After I've eaten something garlicky. Blech.
Oh, please don't.
I'm feeling it. No, I'll stop everything after we're done.
Oh, this stinks in here now. Oh, why did I have to get the middle?
Sorry about that.
Like, this time.
Wow!
My tummy's so full.
Did I knock something off the fucking wall in there?
Oh, I hear it pretty good.
Okay, Nicholas over here now.